Sawyer, and I'm with the team known as Trojan Thunder, and you can see them high and to the right, rumbling in those big, beautiful T-28 Trojans, and it is time for Trojan On with a 6-ship coming inbound to the Sun and Fun Air Show and Expo. All 6 of these aircraft were former U.S. military aircraft flown by both the U.S. Navy and the U.S. Air Force. Make sure you tag us in social media. We are Trojan Thunder and Trojan Thunder 28 on Facebook, X, and Instagram.
Before you head over towards the Warbirds, there is a volunteer here, and he was so interested in learning.
Giving a fist bump to us, arms up in the air. Please be sure to give him a wave, stand up and cheer as we welcome back Korean War hero and the
Jim
pilot.
All right, he's got to hug everybody on his way out, because, you know, he's never received this much attention. Not the yellow plane. Ooh, bad. No, wrong. Hey, there you go. Liz has got it now. Liz Franklin, the newest member of Franklin's Flying Circus, is going to be taking our very questionable, intelligent person up into the aircraft. Come on, Ben. No. Get off there, bud. This is a fabric aircraft, and you don't do that to a fabric airplane. This is why we always tell you, never touch an airplane without talking. That's karma right there. You had that coming, Ben. See, this is why we don't do that. Because he locked the tail wheel when he was sitting on the back of the plane. She'll get that figured out. Sorry about this, folks. Short delay. We'll get, Brad? Cookie? Somebody? You're the air boss. You're not supposed to yell help. Whoa, that's the pyro field. We're very, very close to it. Everything else is on display right here in front of us. Oh dear. That's not okay. So his favorite maneuver, whoa! I see our good friends at Tor are trying to help us signal him down. He has not put on a headset. He's not talking to the air boss. You can call it slow flight. The FAA calls it a violation. Outstanding. But now it's time for you to be outstanding over here with us. What are you? Oh, that one was close. Ben's about to learn the hardest part of aviation, the ground. Most pilots try to grease the landing. This one's probably going to be a little bit more like sandpaper. There you go. Just pull back on the power and I think you've got it. Wait, hold on. He's trying to communicate. What's he saying? Oh, he lost his in-flight beverage. I think what he was saying was, help, help, I've made terrible life decisions. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't seen it before, you have now. This is Kyle Franklin of Franklin's Flying Circus and his famous drunk comedy routine. Kyle Franklin was destined for the skies from the moment he was born. Son of the late air show legend Jimmy Franklin, Kyle began flying at the age of 8, and the very same Piper Super Cub he's flying here today. By the age of 14, he performed his first wing walk, and by 17 was wing walking professionally for his father Jimmy. At 19, he upped the ante and became the world's first jet wing walker in the infamous Jet Walko, and the transferee in the world's only motorcycle to airplane transfer. In addition to crawling out of the cockpit and dangling from the airplane,
they ended up like touching down like down here. That usually I want to do a show like ass in front of the crowd. What the hell?
Gave proof through the night that our flag was.
And they've been nice enough to help us out with their Twin Otter, which is one of the best platforms to jump from. It's got a giant door on the side, twin engines, can take off and land in a short runway. And they'll be flying up here in 1 second from our left. They've already been up with Dan, Ashley, and Roberta, getting set up to fly squirrel suits. They're going to be flying. We're looking at Roberta getting set up for her landing now. Oh, I'm sorry, that's Ashley. Ashley Darby, 3,200 jumps, squirrel rescuer, flying the squirrel canopy, setting up for landing, and she can hear you if you let her know you're here. Yeah, Roberta. Yeah. Yep, super model and amazing skydiver, stunt aerialist for plenty of Hollywood movies right now. And there they are. You have the shooting stars all on the ground, safe and sound. Here comes Melissa Burns coming in. She's going to come down and cut them.
Wow, she's just checking in. She's taking a look. See, how did that look, Melissa? Excuse me, you're going to fly under it?
In your face with that.
American
The Wildcat, the Avenger, the Corsair, T-28s from a different era.
And we've even got planes from somewhere else joining the party here, the CJs, the Red Stars. It was fast, it was loud, it was amazing! The Not the gear down, sorry, it just got little things sticking out there. I just got all hyped up here. Man, I love this jet. Look at that!
Come back over the hammerhead. One to the left, one to the right. As they come back show center to say a little hello, take a look at the proximity right now.
Side by side, making the extremely difficult look easy, and gives all that clear instruction again, clear communication, fly the mission, that's what the lead does. The wing is flying the wing, looking right at the other airplane's wing, holding that position and listening to those communications. Watch this now, ladies and gentlemen, they push the tower and cross. See how bumpy that is? That's just wow.
They definitely can't hear you, but they can certainly see you. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the full throttle formation team. The Full Throttle Formation team is honored to join your community as we celebrate our freedom in the great United States of America. And we deeply appreciate the support from everyone at Sun and Fun 2026. We'd also like to thank our sponsors, Michelin Tires.
TOL, short takeoff and landing aircraft. They are high revving, gut wrenching, hard charging, low flying, tire squealing, punishing landings, and wild turn.
Like the old barnstormers used to do. Yeah, boys! This is Charles, also an aerial coordinator for several stunt projects that have set world records. He was out working with Felix Baumgartner when he jumped out of the space capsule and broke the speed of sound on the way re-entry back to Earth. There is just a quick snapping backflip. Woo! He was awarded the Medal of Valor for rescuing 2 flight crew members from a burning helicopter.
Can you wave your arms? And Aaron, give him a bow.
Taking a bow for Aaron Fitzgerald. And if you would, put your eyes high in the skies, you'll see Luke Aiken.
me every time. And then they've got to do it again across the top. And come back down on a reform. The sound of those big Pratt & Whitney R1340.
And one on the bottom here. And as our fighters turn back and regroup, Baron 1 has a lot of explaining to do, wouldn't you say?
Boss, wind 06005, runway 28, you are cleared for takeoff. It's showtime!
is on the line.